Did you know that something as small as using scented soap or wearing the wrong sandals during Ihram can affect your Hajj and even require a penalty? Many don't realize how strict and specific the rules are, which is why mistakes happen. And when you're already dealing with travel stress, heat, and new surroundings, it's easy to slip up if you're not prepared. Entering Ihram means stepping into a sacred state of worship, and some everyday actions become off-limits. For men, no stitched clothing is allowed. No t-shirts, underwear, or regular belts. Even normal boxers are not permitted. You'll need a special unstitched belt to hold your essentials. Socks, shoes, or sandals covering the ankles or top of the feet aren't allowed either. For sisters, the rules differ. Modest clothing is fine, but avoid anything scented, and your face must stay uncovered, even if you normally wear niqab. Here's a big one: perfume. It doesn't matter if it's on your skin, clothes, or soap. If it's scented, it's forbidden in Ihram. People often confuse unscented with fragrance-free, but they're not the same. Only use products clearly labeled fragrance-free and check everything well before your journey. Another common mistake is not knowing your Miqat, the point where you must enter Ihram before crossing. If you're flying, it's your responsibility to know the route and be ready. Many cross the Miqat thinking they can enter Ihram later, but by then, it's too late. This can cost you spiritually and financially. There's also confusion about rituals. Some men expose their right shoulder, thinking it's part of Ihram, but that's only during Tawaf al-Qudum in Umrah. For Hajj, shoulders must stay fully covered. It might seem small, but every part of Ihram has meaning, including how it's worn. Don't forget the small details. Trimming nails, cutting hair, even accidentally pulling a hair after entering Ihram can be a violation. These must be done before making your intention. After that, your actions carry weight. Raising your voice, arguing, or losing patience can harm your experience and reward. When you're tired, hot, and surrounded by crowds, it's a test. Ihram is not just physical. It's a full mental and spiritual reset. This isn't just a checklist to get through. If you don't know the rules, you risk turning your Hajj into a routine instead of the life-changing worship it's meant to be. So don't just wear the cloth, understand its meaning, prepare ahead, and carry yourself with intention every step of the way. May Allah guide us all to a Hajj that's accepted, meaningful, and free from mistakes. Ameen.